If I have taken a selfie and I'm smiling, and that does not mean कि मैं 20 मिनट पहले बहुत भयंकर वाला रो ही नहीं थी.
हाँ.
Maybe the glow up that I have was
Yes.
because I cried, not because my skin is glowing. Hi, this is Ishika,
And this is Ayushi. Welcome to Said and Done podcast.
a podcast where career clarity and chaos all collide.
And we work 9 to 5, but our mind does not shut after.
So from personal growth to societal shifts, we talk freely, we think deeply, and always ask
Why?
So Ayushi, I want to talk about this weird loneliness version we are in. You know, the one where you can get 50 likes on your Instagram stories, but you have no one to call when you're not okay.
Yeah, like your social status is active, but your mind is on D&D and you are texting with 12 people, but nobody really gets you.
I know,
Yeah.
it's like you want to be seen, you want to feel heard, but you are there for people when people want you, but
And it's strange because you feel that you are exposed online, but you also feel that your closest friends don't really know you and what is going on with your life, and your best friend does not even know your job title.
exactly.
So, yeah, that's a funny situation that I think most of us are in. So,
True. You know, couple of days back, I had a mental breakdown where I wanted to talk to people, and to be very honest, I can tell I have a lot of people if I want to hang out with. But मुझे ना सोचना पड़ रहा था कि मैं किसको कॉल करूँ उस टाइम पे. Because ऐसे था कि you know everybody has their own thing going on in
Yeah.
their life. सब जॉब में बिजी है, सबका सब कुछ है. And also then वो टाइम भी एक तुम्हारा मैच करना चाहिए. So वो सोचने के उसमें ना कि कौन फ्री होगा, कौन फ्री नहीं होगा, तुम किसको कॉल कर सकते हो, कौन क्या सोचेगा, that feeling of being judged or misheard is, I feel, is one thing that I need to change about myself. Ki I think then because of this I'm not being able to ask for help.
yeah. So true, and I think this is why most people are turning to social media, because obviously it is not helping us with fighting the loneliness, so to say, but it's giving us more time to spend with, because we are currently scared of looking inside or to introspect, so we are kind of doom scrolling our way into spending time and like going with it.
It's also, you know, the feeling that we get वो almost life वाला होता है ना. You almost had that job, you almost moved cities, you वो what if जो बोलते हैं ना कि
हाँ,
what if ऐसा हो
what if.
जाता, what if वैसा, उसका भी एक loneliness I feel is a whole different thing. Because when I think of it कि अगर मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि यार काश मैं उस जॉब में होती तो मेरी लाइफ ऐसे होती, भाई क्यों, why cannot I be happy with what I have, and why do I have to feel quiet about all of those aspects of my life?
While when you are celebrating all the things online, why can't you also share the parts that you are not really very comfortable with just having yourself in that situation? So
Many people also have this, but वहाँ पर भी I feel everyone is, I feel, insecure about something or the other. And when it is not taken properly is, I feel, जब थोड़ा सा ना ज़्यादा loneliness kicking करते हैं. Like you have so many people around you, but you still feel empty.
yes, and it's not just with strangers, it is also with your close friends, because people are so socially drained that we already feel that everybody has so many things going on in their lives. Let's not burden them with one more thing. Let
I
me
know,
tackle
I
it
know.
by myself. But this is also a very sad part of our generation, because we feel that strong independent is the way to be, and why should I be vulnerable in front of other people? So you don't have to be vulnerable in front of other people, like everybody that you see, but you need to have at least like those people, maybe just one person, or maybe just call up your mom, call up your dad, that I'm not feeling okay. And it's so powerful to have this in the back of your mind,
True.
that there is a person or there is someone who would get me beyond what I show.
Right.
Yeah.
Like if I have taken a selfie and I'm smiling, and that does not mean कि मैं 20 मिनट पहले बहुत भयंकर वाला रो ही नहीं थी.
हाँ.
Maybe the glow up that I have was
Yes.
because I cried, not because my skin is glowing.
Yes.
Also, I would rather have one person who is the real person with me, and by real I don't mean कि जो सिर्फ ऐसे बोलेगा कि like sugar coat करके
हाँ.
मुझे
I don't want you to always speak like, you know, I am the best person. I know.
greatness of me कि मुझे
Yes.
बोलते ना चने के झाड़ पे मत चढ़ाओ,
हाँ.
बस मुझे ऐसे रखो कि hey listen this is wrong, you
Yeah.
cannot do this, just be real with me because
Yeah.
sometimes I do need that reality
And it's
check
so
and-
important to have those kind of people in
Exactly.
life.
and that's why I feel कि ना loneliness ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है also because you have to show that you are the strong independent person, you always have to be strong. If you cry on Instagram or if you cry on LinkedIn, people are like यार ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा real
Attention
हो गया, attention seeking,
Oh God, that
बहुत
is.
ज़्यादा real हो गया है ये तो, why do you need to cry, don't you have people to go to? अरे भाई अगर हम तुम्हारे पास नहीं आएंगे तो और किसके पास आएंगे? Like recently मैं बता रही थी मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था एंड देन आई डिड ट्राई टू टॉक टू अ फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स बट देन दे लिटरली टोल्ड मी दिस कि यू नो I think you're being selfish. We also have our own things, and then you're downplaying us. I was like, okay, that did sting a lot and hurt me a lot. But then I was like, okay, fine, get your point. Then I cannot consider you that close. But okay, like not everybody has in their capacity. It's in their capacity to always listen to me. So I get it. But then
And bro, from when did friendship equal to the number of followers that you have? Like that is so unfair. Like then why are we all crying at 2 a.m.
True.
because like we have followers at least more than one, right? So we should ideally have like so many friends, but then why are we crying alone at night? And why are we waking
don't
up
have
with every day with a smile because we have nobody who would get us, who would get what we are trying to say? So we choose to just not say it.
true, and it's so unhealthy because mental health पे कितना टोल पड़ रहा है यार आजकल. I am seeing people even for kids यार वो,
Yeah.
you know, are you seeing those videos जिसमें बच्चे लोग आजकल get ready with me वो पूरा ASMR get ready with me
पूरा
करते
करता है. मतलब like good that they're getting that confidence to talk in front of camera, but it is also like maybe when we were of their age, we would want to and would prefer to go downstairs and play with
play.
our
Exactly.
friends group of like maybe 10, 15, 20 people. But here they are getting more satisfaction by shooting a clip of
Exactly.
Get Ready With Me to go to a school.
I know, and that's why I feel the loneliness starts kicking in
Yes.
because you see, I feel क्या हो रहा है पता है, rather than children now knowing how to talk to people, they know how to talk in front of a camera.
Yes.
वो जो social skills है ना वो develop ही नहीं हो
हाँ.
रही है बच्चों की.
सामने से जाओ तो they'll not
They cannot
know,
talk
हाँ.
to you. Like they will become so shy. They don't know how to talk. And वहीं पे small talk kick in करता है ना.
Yeah.
When you are in that awkward position, तो तुम small talk करते हो. लोगों को आजकल awkward silence, ये silences को they have named it as awkward. What the hell is awkward
Yeah,
silence?
why are we
यार?
not comfortable with silence and why do we always have to, you know, be like कि अरे
कुछ ना
let's-
कुछ तो बोलना है.
हाँ.
वो खटकते लगता है. Like for me, I can sit with someone, I can be quiet for 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, but half an hour. But I am okay with it. Like I don't need fillers in between.
Yes.
यार कितना अच्छा मौसम है. मैं नहीं ना यार अच्छा मौसम
इतना
है.
इतना पोलाइट टॉक्स तो मैं ऑफिस के तक ही रखना पसंद करूंगी. मतलब पर्सनल उसमें तो
नहीं होगा. And I feel here is where the society needs to change a bit because अगर हम अभी से ही दो टीनेजर्स जिनको हम देख रहे हैं उनमें अभी से ही सोशल स्किल नहीं है बात करने के लिए, व्हाट विल दे डू? इसके लिए पता है आजकल वो भी बहुत हो रहा है ना, जेनजीज को ऑफिस में रखना इज अ टास्क.
Yeah,
क्यों?
that they are always doing this and that. I like
They prefer text over call, which is true. They do prefer
yeah,
text
they,
over
because
call.
they want to avoid human interaction.
Exactly. And with AI coming in, मेरे को लग रहा है ना loneliness ज्यादा बढ़ने वाला है because people have started using ChatGPT as
As their
emotional support.
therapist, and I don't see any wrong in that.
It's not
Yeah.
wrong.
But in social media, it is always about the soul versus the scroll because we are so attached to the likes, to the comments, and they impact us so much that for that, maybe a fraction of time, we feel like, okay, people do care about us and we feel seen. But so are we really feeling seen?
No.
Because maybe so many people know you, but not many of them know you beyond what you show them. And sometimes it's so important to have people who even read between the lines and get exactly how you are and ask the question that how was your day,
Right.
or how have you been like mentally.
Mentally, emotionally,
So, yeah.
are you all right? You know, there are, everybody has this small things that affect them a lot, जो लोगों को लगेगा कि यार ठीक है, मे बी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई वॉन्ट टू गिव एन एग्जाम टुडे और इफ आई हैड एन इंटरव्यू टुडे, वो हो सकता है कि लगे कि अच्छा ठीक है ना यार, क्या है, वापस से हो जाएगा, इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. बट देन वो फेलियर उस पॉइंट पे, इफ थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग राइट, वो उतना सा एक फेलियर भी ना बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. एंड दैट्स व्हेन यू नीड पीपल who understand कि अरे यार listen, are you all right?
Yes.
I am here. वो पता है, you know, I heard this thing which मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, and I have started telling this to my people that listen, I always have 8 minutes for you, because ऐसा कुछ है कि when you feel lonely or if you want to talk to someone, you just need 8 minutes of their time. तो कुछ और नहीं, just बोलो do you have 8 minutes. So this is what I think I have started with my friends.
It's a nice way to start being there for your
Exactly.
people.
And what I feel is miscommunicated या misunderstood also is that being there मतलब अरे चलना hang out करते हैं. यार मैं
That
उसके
is
साथ
so
थी
not the
तो.
definition of
Exactly. मतलब
being there, basically. हाँ.
मैं तेरे साथ थी तो उस टाइम पे, तू कैसे बोल सकती है कि मैं नहीं थी? भाई I did not want you to be there physically. अगर physically नहीं भी हो, be there for me emotionally. Be there for me mentally. That if I want to, I can talk to you. If I want to, I can cry in front of
Yes.
you. Don't come to me and say कि यार एक चलना emotional मत हो.
हाँ. Like, what is the weirdest thing that you have done to, you know, not feel lonely or to be a part of a particular group or something?
Yeah, I feel the weirdest thing तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी. The thing that I have started, I feel, is I have stopped expecting from people, because क्या हो गया ना, पता है अभी सबको ऐसा लगता है, oh we are the main character and everybody is a main
but
character.
now it has become like everybody is the main character, but there's no side character.
True.
Yeah.
That's so true. And you also need side characters.
Yes.
A film can never be made without any side.
Yeah, and yet only the hero, like.
You are the hero, you are the main character,
Yeah.
because of those side characters
Yes.
that you have in your life.
Yeah.
अगर वो नहीं होंगे ना, you will not be what you are, is what I feel. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसकी वजह से ना people should appreciate people who are
Yes.
there, because then जब ये सब नहीं होता ना, then the world gets lonely, then the world gets cold.
Yeah.
I think
Besides thinking that, you know, nobody is there for us, I also feel that sometimes, I'm talking about me personally, I have always been very like closed and not very expressive of what I feel on the first go. Right in front, like there are many people who are very okay with sharing how they are feeling right at the moment, and I feel for me it is very emotionally, you know, you feel lighter very fast, but I tend to carry things with me until I feel comfortable enough to tell it to people and to talk about it. So and in that process I used to shut down and, you know, just try to solve it by myself, because I felt like I don't feel like anybody else would get it. Okay, but then I started seeing that people who are really close to me, they really care, and it was me who needed to take the first step to start telling. Right. And obviously, like, not everybody, not maybe if I have like 4 or 5 close friends, not that every 4 of them are there for me at that moment, but maybe one of them would want to listen to me, and it has happened, and I felt like I should have done that earlier, because people are there for me. So it is about creating that space, and maybe that person won't be there the next time that I'm crying or doing something, because they also have the lives. We have to be practical enough to believe that, you know, सबका different life चल रहा है. Not everybody would be there for you, which is a fair expectation, right? I can't be thinking that this person is always there for me. Okay, that is impractical of me to think. But then there are people, but we need to take that first step to, you know, go and then take that effort to try and explain myself.
Because I very like agree with this, because मुझे ऐसे भी लगता है ना कि जब तक तुम वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लाओगे सामने वाले के इंसान में, दैट यू ट्रस्ट
Yes,
द
that
अदर
trust.
पर्सन विथ योर थिंग्स, वो शायद सामने वाला नहीं कर पाएगा. तो इट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप. एंड आई
Yeah.
आल्सो फील कि but I love myself, okay? I can love myself, but there are also times when I need that love. तुम
Yes.
कितना भी बोल लो कि मैं तो अपनी फेवरेट हूँ और whatever,
Yeah.
but then you need people who surround you, who let you know that hey, you are valuable
Yes.
and you mean something.
Who makes
to
you
me.
see your worth.
Exactly. Who tell you कि hey, listen, this is not something that you should do.
Yeah. You
You are-
sometimes need to be snapped out of something.
Exactly,
and
that spiral
yes,
that you're going
yeah,
through.
I think like being overthinkers. I know you're also an overthinker. I know I am also an overthinker, and I know many of our viewers are also overthinkers. And we like to spiral down into something, and we make like जो बोलते हैं ना बात का बतंगर बनाना maybe. Okay, so sometimes we need that other like external person to say that you are making a huge deal out of something which is maybe not that huge, which could be handled in a better manner.
True.
So that perspective is also really important in certain times.
Right. Also, I just want to know your opinion that what do you feel that people do say this कि अरे हम तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं
हाँ.
क्यों क्योंकि हम 6 महीने बाद भी बात करेंगे ना तो ऐसे लगता है हमने कल ही बात किया. What is your opinion on this kind of friendships?
I feel like I have used this kind of sentences many times, but then I don't feel that that's a very healthy kind of friendship. So there are different kind of friends, right? Not every friend you meet will have the same kind of equation with you, right? But maybe जो होता है ना कि जो 6 months में एक बार बात कर रहे हैं, so we are only talking about the highlights. We are not talking about the कि in depth में मेरे को उस दिन ऑफिस में मैनेजर के साथ क्या हुआ मेरे साथ, ठीक है? तो that person won't know, because in the very short period of time that I'm talking to that person after 6 months, who is really a good friend of mine and with whom I've spent maybe very nice times during MBA or during college or something, ठीक है? But जब मैं बहुत दिन बाद के उस इंसान से मैं बात कर रही होती हूँ, तो आई वुड नॉट वांट टू अगेन go to that depth.
Maybe the sorrow part में भी तुम बोल सकते हो अरे यार पता है ऐसा हो गया था मेरे साथ, बट चार तो छोड़ो वो हो गया
ऐसा हुआ था.
हो गया.
And then it feels, suppose if I'm on the receiving end of that part, that you are telling me something about after 6 months that मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, but now I'm over it, but I would feel like कि I should have been there more.
हाँ, exactly.
So that I feel if I'm on the receiving end, that I would not want to listen, like be that friend जहाँ पर होता है कि 6 months बाद खाली हम अच्छा चीजों का बात करते हैं, तो फिर I would rather want to अभी want तो बहुत कुछ हो जाता है, but then in our busy schedule it's not really possible and it's difficult to stay in touch, but we need to, जैसे हम लोग का अभी भी है, I think you'll know whom I'm talking about. We still have a group where we have like weekly video calls with a group of 7 to 8 people, and we are ranting about our jobs. We are ranting about our family. If there are some people who are doing work from home, we are ranting about our landlords. We are ranting about everything. We are also talking about food, what we are making for dinner that day, what are our weekend plans, and that feels like such a breeze, and mostly we do it on weekends. So I would rather skip any other weekend plan, going out and partying or anything for
that. No, I agree. I completely agree with this. मतलब यार वो जब बोलते हैं ना 6 months बाद हम बात कर रहे हैं, मैं कहूँ नहीं यार, what is the point of having such? I mean, there is a point of having such friends.
You can't really cut off and but it kind of becomes very formal.
True.
And बहुत
ना फॉर्मेलिटी ऑफिस में इनफ है यार, बहुत ज्यादा फॉर्मेलिटी फ्रेंड्स में नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So yes, ये तो है.
So it's like online friendships are like in real friendships, whereas the in real friendships are turning more into performative stances.
True.
Right?
मतलब एक ये होता है ना कि you have people but you don't have people.
Yes, and that's such a confusing state to be in. But I feel there's not really a solution to it.
I think there is a need to not fix loneliness, but just accept it for what it is. कि even if you're feeling okay, it's okay to accept that you're feeling lonely and to talk to someone rather than just saying कि यार इतने मतलब मैं lonely feel क्यों कर रही हूँ, ये कोई चीज नहीं. I think there is no fix to it. It's just you are feeling lonely, accept it, get it done. That's what's said and done. I feel
as a friend, you also need to be making that space where the other friend is feeling safe, and they also feel that you will be available even at maybe 2 a.m. Maybe he or she will not call you at 2 a.m. But then they should know that
have that safety net.
Yeah, it is very important to create that space and to build that safe zone for people who really matter to you. You can't do that for everybody that you know. That it's not a very fair ask. But then we need to be that friend if we want a friend like that.
True. It all starts with ourselves.
Yes.
So be that friend, guys. And if you have that friend who is someone who you can talk to at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., call and cry for 8 straight hours, tag them, share with them.
Because
And
you are lucky.
you are lucky to have them. You actually really are very lucky to have them. And if you want to become that friend to someone, share this video with them. Comment your weirdest parts where you have felt ki, yeah, this is something that I should have done to not feel lonely, or something that you have done to overcome that loneliness. Let others know. And we'll see you in the next episode of Sid and Done. Bye.
Bye.